Look at this place. Let's go explore everything around us and see what we can find together. Ooh, I've got an idea. How about we hop on this tractor and take it for a little adventure ride? Come on, let's go on a super fun ride and see where this road takes us.
Yeah.
Hey, are you even paying attention to what's going on? Because it really feels like you're not.
I'm really sorry about that. I didn't mean for it to happen, and I feel bad.
Hey, would you like to come along and join me? It'll be much more fun if we ride together. Let's enjoy this ride side by side and make it an awesome little adventure we'll both remember.
You know, I'm actually really enjoying spending time with you. This has been really nice. Oh, that really hurts. I didn't expect that at all, and it makes me feel a bit upset.
I'm so sorry about that. I really didn't mean to hurt you or make you feel bad.
Hey, look up there. Let's check out all those birds flying around. They look amazing.
It's absolutely beautiful. The sky, the birds, everything just looks so wonderful right now.
Whoa, hey, let's look straight ahead. Something's going on up there that we shouldn't miss.
What in the world were you thinking when you did that? You could have caused real trouble.
I'm truly sorry. I understand it was wrong, and I feel really bad about it.
It's okay this time, but please think carefully next time, because this is your last warning.
Thanks so much for your advice. I'll remember what you said and do better from now on.
Let's chase that damn dragonfly. I'm gonna snag that little bastard.
No way!
All right, I've got a shot at grabbing this punk.
Go, go, go!
Yeah, I've got some muscle now.
What?
Phew, I dodged a bullet there.
No! What?
Time to bite that little creep.
No way!
Looks like he bailed, the coward.
Time to catch that punk.
Yo, big beasts, gear up for a race against the little critters. We gotta crush this.
Heck yeah, we gotta win this thing.
Hey, small fry, let's race those big guys and show them what we got.
You bet. We're gonna show those big fellas who's boss.
Hit the like button and subscribe!
Huh, I'm breaking out of this joint today, no matter what.
Ugh, what a nightmare. Let's go check if everything's cool in the zoo. Yay, everything's all good. Back to Snoozeville.
This is my chance. Time to swipe that key. Sweet, he's out cold. Let's find that key. Yes, there it is.
Hey, smash that like button.
What?
What?
Please like and subscribe.
Hit the like button and subscribe!
Let's go for a walk.
Whoa, those are some yummy fruits. What? Let's try the red one.
No way!
Now, let's check this yellow one. Ah, this was really good. Let's play for some time.
Yeah.
Sometime later. Where is the damn golden fruit? The last fruit. Nah, looks like I am back to normal. No! Oh, no, not again.
Please like and subscribe.
Yo, where we heading, squad?
We're hitting the forest to snag some fruits.
Aight, let's roll.
Oh no!
Man, bananas are so last season. We need some new snacks. Hey, look, fresh fruits.
Wow!
What you want?
Can I grab some of those fruits?
Nah, bro, these are mine. Move along.
You get me those fruits. I'll hook you up with some ducks.
Deal, but first, bring me the ducks.
What?
Guys, let's dive and swim away.
You're all toast today.
Time for some payback on that monkey. Yeah, let's get revenge. For sure.
Gotcha, all in my net. Hey, Croc, come get your meal.
What?
On my way. Hey, where's my food?
What? Oh no!
I don't know where the ducks vanished.